Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talk English, the podcast where learning English is simple, calm, and fun. My name is Lily, and I'm very happy you're here with us today. If you are a beginner in English, don't worry. This episode is made just for you. Today, we are going to talk slowly, clearly, and in very easy English so you can relax and enjoy learning.
Hi, Lily, and hello, everyone. My name is Mark, and I'm excited to learn and practice English with you today. In this episode, we will talk about something very important for all English learners. We will talk about how to train your brain to speak English. Don't worry, it sounds big, but it is actually very easy and very fun.
Part 1. What does train your brain mean, Mark? Many students ask me the same question again and again. They say, Lily, why is speaking English so hard? And I always tell them something very simple. Speaking English is hard because your brain is not trained yet. Just like your body needs exercise, your brain also needs exercise. Training your brain means helping it feel comfortable with English. It means English feels normal, not scary, and not confusing. When your brain is trained, English comes out naturally without stress.
That makes a lot of sense, Lily. When I first started learning English, I always felt slow. In my head, I thought in my own language first. Then I tried to translate. Then I spoke English. It was very tiring. My brain worked too hard. But now I understand something important. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to train our brain little by little, every day, with easy steps.
Part 2. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. This is one of the most important tips, and it's perfect for beginners. Many learners translate every word in their head. This makes speaking very slow. So instead of translating, we want to think in English, but don't worry. We don't start with long sentences. We start very small. One short sentence is enough. For example, when you wake up, don't think in your language. Just think, I am awake. That's it. Simple and easy.
Yes, I really like this idea. When I am at home, I look around and say things in my head. I think, this is my chair. The window is open. I am thirsty. These are very small sentences, but they are powerful. My brain starts connecting English with real life. Not with translation, not with grammar rules, just English and life together. That is how the brain learns fast.
Part 3. Use English in your daily life. Another great way to train your brain is to use English in your daily routine. You don't need a teacher with you all the time. Your life is your teacher. In the morning, when you brush your teeth, think, I am brushing my teeth. When you eat breakfast, think, I am eating breakfast. When you leave the house, think, I am going to work or I am going to school. These thoughts train your brain without pressure.
I do this a lot when I travel or walk outside. On the bus, I look around and think in English. I say in my head, the bus is full. A woman is sitting. The man is talking on the phone. I don't speak out loud. I just think. This is quiet practice, but it is very powerful. My brain learns English in a natural way, just like a child learns language.
Part 4. Speak English alone. Yes, alone. Some students feel shy to speak English with people. That is normal, but here is good news. You can practice English alone. You can talk to yourself. This is not strange. It is very helpful. When you are alone at home, try to say simple sentences. For example, today is a good day. I feel tired. I want to relax. Speaking alone helps your mouth and brain work together.
I agree 100%. I sometimes speak English while cooking. I say, I am cutting vegetables. The water is hot. Dinner smells good. I don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. My goal is not perfection. My goal is confidence. When I speak alone, I feel free. And later, speaking with people feels easier and more natural.
Part 5. Listen to easy English. Every day. Listening is very important for training your brain. Your brain needs English input. That means English must go into your ears. But it must be easy English, not fast or difficult English. Podcasts like this one are great. You can listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen and enjoy the sound of English.
Yes, listening helps your brain get used to English rhythm and pronunciation. When you listen every day, your brain starts to recognize patterns. Words feel familiar. Sentences feel normal. After some time, you will notice something amazing. Words start coming to your mouth automatically. That is a sign your brain is learning. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day is very good.
Part 6. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Repetition is a best friend for beginners. Don't worry about saying the same sentence again and again. Repetition helps your brain remember. For example, you can repeat sentences like, I like coffee. I go to work at 9. I watch TV in the evening. When you repeat, your brain feels safe. English becomes familiar, not scary.
I always tell learners this simple rule. If you hear a sentence and you like it, repeat it. Say it again tomorrow. Say it again next week. Slowly, it becomes part of you. Your brain doesn't ask questions anymore. It just speaks. That is real progress. Slow repetition is better than fast learning and quick forgetting.
Part 7. Be kind to your brain. One more very important thing is being kind to yourself. Your brain needs time. You will not speak perfect English in 1 week or 1 month, and that is okay. Every small step is progress. When you make a mistake, smile. Mistakes mean learning. Talk to your brain like a friend, not like a judge.
Yes, I love that. Learning English should feel safe and enjoyable. Stress blocks learning, calm helps learning. When you relax, your brain opens. So take a deep breath, speak slowly, enjoy the process. English is not a race. It is a journey, and you are doing great. Thank you so much for listening to Daily Talk English today. We hope this episode helps you train your brain to speak English with confidence. Remember, small steps every day make big progress over time.
Yes, thank you for being with us. If you enjoyed this episode, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Daily Talk English. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.